Tyler, can you explain again why our house is flooded again? I thought this float switch was supposed to stop it.
So you are correct, Mason. Float switches are designed to cut the unit off, but as most people don't know, float switch is a mechanical device. It can easily get clogged with debris, and it can also fail. So in your instance, if you'll bring the camera over here, kind of show everyone what we're talking about, since they think float switches are just the perfect thing in the world and they never fail. If you can see in here, this is a float switch actually in the unit right here. It is wired up, and I want you to look in here. That is water. Now if you listen really closely, the unit is still on. The float switch does not work in this case. That's why you guys keep flooding. The drain lines are clogged, your float switch doesn't work, and a contractor hasn't actually come out here and cleaned the drain lines. Today, I'm gonna clean you guys' drain lines, put on a dauber stopper for you, and maintain this the proper way. We're gonna get you another float switch as well. All right, do not forget to check your units every summer. Things happen, things break. All right, very unfortunate your house flooded, but we're gonna get you fixed up today, all right? Thank you.